So now we will be doing the connections of the RFID tag with the Arduino. So let's take some of the jumper wires. We connect to the SDA. SDA is a cable for sending the data. We will connect the SDA to pin number 10 on the Arduino. Here it is. Now let's connect the next pin, which is SCK, which is a clock pin. We'll connect this pin to pin 13. Now let's connect MOSI, which is also a pin for sending the data. And this pin is connected to pin number 11. Now let's connect the pin number MISOI, which is also a pin for sending the data from the RFID to the Arduino. And let's connect this pin to pin number 12. Now let's take another connecting wire and connect the 3.3 voltage on the pin of 3.3 on Arduino, and let's connect the ground pin to ground. And now we'll connect the reset pin on the RFID tag to the pin number 9 on Arduino. Well, we will leave this pin as no connection on this one. Now your RFID is connected to Arduino. We'll keep it over here. Now let's come to the breadboard. We'll connect the LED, a 20 ohm resistor, as I have told you. Now let's connect one point of the LED to the ground and another. This one pin is connected to the ground on the Arduino, and the next pin on the resistor from 220 ohm to pin number 8. And now let's connect the power cord.